Hi, my name is Danielle from the Green Collective, and I'm going to show you how to fix a clogged tap. First thing you need to do is make sure your bucket is empty. Then unscrew the tap. Okay. Then second part, unscrew the top here. There you go. So most likely inside there are some leftover food scrap. If you put tea, if you put small items, and if you don't put any paper towel or cardboard or anything on top of the strainer, maybe some small pieces of food have accumulated into your tap, and this is what's clogging up. So give it a good rinse. You can even use an old toothbrush to clean it properly, and then simply screw it all back together and back on your compost. That's it. Your clogged tap is all fixed. Happy composting!